The LyriFine electric spin scrubber. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. It's a really nice scrubber here. It's got this extension rod on here. It goes up to 42 inches. It's got all these different scrubbing heads right here. It's got the USB cord to charge it. It's got the quick start guide and the user manual. This is the one I just put it on right here. This is where you charge it up at this port right here. And then if you look on the back right here, it's got the 2 speeds. That's speed 1. And that's speed 2. So you can see it's got a really good motor on here, so it's going to really get scrubbing really well. You can see here it's got, when you press down on it, it doesn't let up. This is a really good motor on this scrubber here. It's got this extension arm right here that's going to reach out to 42 inches. This is just a really nicely well-made electric scrubber. We're going to be able to use this in a shower to get in the top of the shower areas. And this way, if you're cleaning the bottom too, if you don't want to put a lot of strain on your bat, you're going to be able to use this without having to bend down to get in the corners and things like that. But definitely want to check this out. It's the electric spin scrubber.